What if I told you the difference between staying broke and building real wealth in 2026 comes down to just a few smart money moves? And the best part? You don't need a high salary, a finance degree, or years of experience. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact smart money strategies beginners can use to start building wealth, create passive income, and move toward financial freedom starting today. Let's get into it. Most people think money is about numbers. It's not. It's about behavior. If you don't control your habits, your money will control you. And that's the first thing we need to fix. Smart money move number 1. Think like an investor, not a spender. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" start asking, "Will this grow my wealth?" This simple shift in mindset changes everything, because every euro, every dollar you spend is a choice. You can either spend it on things that lose value or invest it in things that grow. When you start viewing money as a tool for building wealth rather than just something to spend, your entire financial life transforms. This is the foundation that everything else is built on. You can't build wealth if you don't know where your money's going. It's that simple. Smart money move number 2. Track and control your cash flow. Now, I know budgeting sounds boring, but stick with me because this is crucial. Use a simple rule that actually works, the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, utilities, the essentials. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, dining out, things that make life enjoyable. And 20% goes to investing and saving. This is where your wealth gets built. Now here's the thing, even if you can only start with 5% toward investing, that's okay. What matters is consistency. Small control today equals big results over time. Here's the truth nobody tells you. It's not big expenses that keep people broke, it's small daily leaks. Smart money move number 3. Eliminate unnecessary spending. Unused subscriptions you forgot about, impulse purchases that seemed important at the time, lifestyle inflation where you spend more just because you earn more. These quietly destroy your wealth. Take 30 minutes this week to audit your spending. Cancel what you don't use, cut what doesn't serve your goals, plug those leaks. Before investing a single dollar, you need protection. Smart money move number 4. Build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. This is your financial safety net. Without it, one unexpected car repair, one medical bill, one job loss can wipe everything out. Your emergency fund keeps you from having to sell investments at the worst time or going into debt when life happens. And trust me, life always happens. Now we get to the real game changer. Smart money move number 5. Start investing as soon as possible. Not later, not when you feel ready, not when you have more money. Now. Even small amounts matter because of one powerful concept: compound growth. Your money makes money. Then that money makes more money. Then that money makes even more money. This is how wealth is actually built. Let me give you an example. If you invest just $200 per month starting at age 25 with an average 8% return, by age 65 you'll have over $600,000. But if you wait until age 35 to start, you'll only have about $280,000. That 10-year delay costs you over $300,000. Time is your most valuable asset in investing. You don't need complicated strategies. Smart money move number 6. Invest in simple, diversified assets. For beginners, that means index funds and ETFs. These are collections of many different stocks bundled together. When you buy one share of an index fund, you're instantly owning tiny pieces of hundreds of companies. This reduces risk dramatically and grows steadily over time. You don't need to pick individual stocks. You don't need to predict which companies will succeed. You're betting on the entire economy growing, and historically, it does. Relying on one income source is risky. Smart money move number 7. Build multiple income streams. If your only income is your job, you're vulnerable. What happens if you lose that job? What happens if you want to change careers? What happens if you need more money to reach your goals faster? Examples of additional income streams: freelancing or consulting in your field, creating and selling digital products, building investment portfolios that generate returns, starting a small online business, rental income if you can invest in property. More income streams equals faster wealth growth and more financial security. This is where things get really exciting. Smart money move number 8. Make money while you sleep. This is passive income, and it's the key to financial freedom. Passive income comes from assets that generate money without requiring your active time. Dividend-paying investments send you cash regularly just for owning shares. Rental properties generate monthly income. Online businesses or digital products can sell while you're doing other things. Passive income gives you freedom. Freedom to choose how you spend your time, freedom to pursue what matters to you, freedom from trading every hour for dollars. Not all debt is equal. Smart money move number 9. Avoid high-interest consumer debt. Credit cards charging 20% interest, payday loans, buy now, pay later schemes that seem convenient, these trap you in a cycle that's extremely hard to escape. If you're paying 20% interest on debt while trying to earn 8% on investments, you're losing 12% every year. Pay off high-interest debt before investing aggressively. It's the highest guaranteed return you can get. The highest return investment you can make? Yourself. Smart money move number 10. Build skills that increase your income. Your earning power is your greatest wealth-building tool. Learn new skills that are valuable in the marketplace. Improve your current career trajectory. Take courses that increase your expertise. Build a personal brand. The more valuable you become, the more you can earn. And the more you earn, the faster you can build wealth. Make wealth building effortless. Smart money move number 11. Automate your saving and investing. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck. The day you get paid, money automatically goes to savings, to investments, to your goals. You set it once and let it grow. This removes willpower from the equation. You can't spend what you don't see, and you can't forget to invest when it happens automatically. Wealth is not built overnight. Smart money move number 12. Stay consistent and patient. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a get-rich-for-sure plan. The people who win the money game aren't the smartest. They're not the luckiest. They're the ones who don't quit. They invest consistently through market ups and downs. They stick to their plan when others panic. They think in decades, not days. Smart money move number 13. Avoid these common beginner mistakes. Waiting too long to start investing because you think you need more money. Trying to get rich quick with risky trades or cryptocurrency gambling. Following social media hype and investing in whatever's trending. Stay focused, stay disciplined, ignore the noise. Your wealth is built on boring consistency, not exciting gambles. The goal isn't just money. The goal is financial freedom. Financial freedom means having choices. Choice in how you spend your time, choice in the work you do, choice in where you live, choice in how you help others. Money is just a tool, but when used wisely, it buys you something priceless: freedom. If you take just a few of these smart money moves seriously, you can completely change your financial future. You don't need all of them at once. Start with one, master it, then add another. Start small, stay consistent, and think long-term, because the best time to start building wealth is right now. Not next month, not next year, today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Smart Money and Finance Guide for more content on money management, investing for beginners, passive income strategies, and financial freedom planning. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video, because we're going to continue breaking down complex money topics into simple strategies you can actually use. In the next video, I'm showing you exactly how investing just $300 per month can grow to over $1 million. The math is simple but powerful. And remember, smart money moves today create wealth tomorrow. See you in the next one.